fish. Yeah. Everybody's second-handed.
So cute. Like you can have
What's fire?
Take it out. That was really cute.
The fire alarm's gonna go off.
Yeah, it's gonna go
Lick
off.
the bottom.
Look at all that food. Look at all that delicious food.
It was a chemistry experiment.
It was just some sophomores were getting high. Okay, that's it. They're just going to chase them.